Hey everyone, welcome back to Isanzura Universe. Today we're diving into a major update from Eastern Congo. The M23 rebels and the DRC government have reached a crucial declaration of principles that could steer the region toward peace. Let's unpack what's going on. Key developments. Qatar mediated breakthrough. On July 18, 2025, officials from the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, and the M23 rebel group agreed to sign a declaration of principles in Doha aimed at ending the intense fighting that erupted in eastern Congo earlier this year. Ceasefire and dialogue commitment. The document includes provisions for an immediate ceasefire, a pledge to enter formal negotiations on a comprehensive peace accord, and mechanisms to restore state authority in conflict zones. Unresolved sticking points. Despite the declaration, key issues remain: release of detained M23 members, access to banking in rebel-held areas, and troop withdrawals are still pending negotiation. U.S. influence and contestation. Under mounting pressure from the U.S., represented by Trump's Africa advisor Masad Boulos, and linked to a broader Washington Accord signed June 27, the DRC-Rwanda peace agreement, momentum for peace is building. The Washington Accord aimed to withdraw Rwandan troops and build a joint security framework. However, M23 was not party to that deal, making the Doha talks critical. Complex regional web M23 seized Goma in January and pushed into South Kivu, displacing hundreds of thousands. Accusations persist that Rwanda backs the rebels, allegations Kigali denies. Citing self-defense experts report Rwanda had operational control over M23 movements. Next steps ahead, the declaration is expected to be signed in Doha imminently. Talks will shift to formal negotiations, with ceasefire mechanisms and restoration of order at the core. Challenges ahead include building confidence, demobilizing troops, and addressing humanitarian needs. Bottom line, this declaration marks a pivotal step, but it's just the beginning, not the resolution. Its success will depend on implementation details, participation from all key players, including M23, and sustained international support, especially from the U.S., Qatar, and UN partners. That's the latest on the Congo M23 peace process. If you found this informative, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.